Hi, Kelly here from freebiefindingmoms.com, and today I'm going to share with you how you can earn free products from Young Living Essential Oils, and that is by joining the Essential Rewards program. By the way, before I get started to chat with you about that, if you will please give this video a like or a heart, I would appreciate it. And if you find it helpful for you, if you could share it to your Facebook page, I would appreciate that as well. All right, so Essential Rewards is, like I said, it's their auto ship program. So what you're gonna do is once you become a Young Living member and you have your kit and you're finding what your favorite products are, you can join Young Living's Essential Rewards program. Now, you can join it right away when you get your kit, or you can join it months later or even years later, to be honest with you. But you're gonna join the Essential Rewards program, and this way you will ensure that you get all your favorite items each month. So, but before you start to say, oh, well, you know, what if I don't run out of my items? I don't want to have to keep getting them. The great thing is, this is why I love their program. Well, one of the reasons why. There's so many perks to this. One of the things I love about it is that they let you change your order every single month. So you are not locked into the same, 3 or 5 items that you first initially chosen. So basically with Essential Rewards, what you're going to do is you're going to go in there and you're going to select your favorite items. What are the items that you absolutely have to have every single month? Are they lavender bath bombs? Are they certain oils? Is it a combination of oils and skincare? Maybe you like the Savvy Minerals makeup line, or they even have food now. So whatever your go-to items are, you will set those as your monthly order. But then say next month you go, I'm not really out of those. I don't really need any more of those. You can go in there and completely change your order. You might just change 1 or 2 items, but it is, as long as you change it before the processing date and you establish what that is, what that date is, then you can go in there and alter your order whenever you want, basically. So there's so many perks to joining Essential Rewards, and the reason I say that is because it is really the best value for your money with Young Living. First off, you're gonna get reduced shipping charges, which is great. Secondly, you will get to earn reward points. And I'll try my best to explain this in the most, concise way as possible. But what happens when you earn reward points is, well, with your each order, you will get reward points on your total PV. And PV is kind of their Young Living's currency, but it's pretty much a dollar for dollar on most items. So say when I say 50 PV, it's typically about $50 worth of products. So in order to be enrolled in Essential Rewards, you just need to spend $50 each month. Now, if you can spend, say, at least $100, you will get a free product every single month in your order. And Young Living will just send that directly to you. And then they have more gifts as you are able to spend, other milestones. But you don't have to. If that's not in your budget and $50 is all you can do, that is perfectly fine. You can absolutely be enrolled at the 50 PV level and stay enrolled and still get all the same benefits as if you spent more. So what you're gonna do is sign up for Essential Rewards, and you can do so via the link that's in this post here. And like I said, you can sign up right away when you get your kit, or you can sign up months later once you've kind of been using the products and see what some of your favorite products are. So you can add this Essential Rewards program at any time, basically. So what you're gonna, and by the way, if you don't have your kit yet, you can get it. I am still offering $25 back in the form of either Amazon gift card or PayPal cash. So it's for a limited time though. So what I'll tell you is if you wanna get your kit, you can do so via the link that's in this post, and then I'll get notified of that and I'll contact you to make sure that I get you your $25 back. But with Essential Rewards, once you have your kit and you're already a member, you're already purchasing at wholesale prices. But Essential Rewards is even better on top of that because you'll get reward points. And basically what happens is let's say you place a 50 PV order and you pick several items, and that's your order, and you will then earn, starting out in the program, 10% in reward points back. And the longer you're in the program, the more you will earn. So the first 3 months, you'll earn 10% back then of your total PV amount. So let's say, like I say, if you spent $100, let's say on your order, you're gonna get 10% back, you're gonna get $10 back in reward points. So it really adds up quickly, and that's each and every month. So let's say you've been in the program for 4 months, 4 or 5 months. At the 4-month level, you start earning 20% back. So you can kind of think of it in terms of like 20% off sort of, because you're getting back reward points that you can use to redeem the purchases or the products that you want. So, and then once you've been in the program at least 2 years, you start to earn 25% back. So it really adds up very quickly. So first off, in Essential Rewards, you will get that reduced shipping charges. You will also get to earn reward points. Again, whether you spend $500 a month or $50 a month, you will still earn reward points. I love that. Another thing is they have loyalty gifts that they will send you every 3, 6, 9, and 12 months just for staying in the program. So at 3 months, you get a free bottle of peppermint. At 6 months, you get free Thieves. At 9 months, you will get a free Young Living bottle of tea tree. And then at 12 months, you'll get a special essential oil of a loyalty oil that was actually specially formulated by the founder of Young Living. So at each of those milestones, just for staying in the program, you'll be sent a free oil, each of one of those milestones. So that's just another perk of being in the program. So kind of give you an example. This is what I always say to my son when I do homework with him, and he's always like, I don't understand. Then I'll say, let's do an example. So because I'm kind of a numbers person, I like to do the math and see, does it honestly really make sense for me to join? And that's what was my decision that I made, when I joined a while back. But let's say, for instance, you have chosen, let's say, the face scrub, the satin mint face scrub, one of my favorites, absolutely in my auto ship. Love this. Definitely don't want to be without this one. So what I'll tell you is the retail price of this is $22.04. Now, if you are already a Young Living member or are becoming a Young Living member by getting a premium starter kit, you will be able to purchase this at wholesale, which is $16.75. Still a good value, a really good value actually, because you'll get several face scrubs out of this, and I love this thing. This is really, really good. In fact, I taped a video with my son for this face scrub like a week or, it must have been 2 weeks ago because he was on spring break. So I taped a video, so if you want to see that, he was putting it on my face and all kinds of good stuff. But anyway, so if you get this at wholesale, you can get it for $16.75, still a great price. If you put this on auto ship, so, and by the way, when you become a member and you purchase items at wholesale, you're already getting 24% off retail. So that's a pretty huge value already. But when you put this in your Essential Rewards, you will then be able to earn reward points when you purchase it. So say you get this in your monthly Essential Rewards order, and let's say you've been in the program for like 6 months. So you're at the 20% back level. So you will get 20% back, or think of it kind of in reward points, or think of it like a 20% discount sort of. So what happens is you will get those 20%, or in other words, around $3.35, let's say 3 reward points added to your account. So those points, you will just keep accumulating them in your account, and then when you've gotten enough that you want to spend them, you decide when you want to redeem for free products. So that basically would bring the price of this down, which was, like I say, retail like around $22. It brings it down to around $13. And so that's about 40% off of retail. So yes, it's already a value when you become a member of Young Living and you're buying it wholesale. But when you add it to your Essential Rewards, you're going to get reduced shipping. You're going to get to earn reward points for your total PV order, which is usually a 1-for-1, meaning $1 equals 1 PV on most items. And you will also, in addition to that, get those loyalty gifts. So that takes this product, which would normally have been $22, down to around, ended up being $13.40 if you factor in your reward points. So it's really the best value for your money with Young Living. Now, if it's not in your budget to spend 50 PV, or like I say, about $50 a month, I completely understand that. We can enroll you at any time. So if you get your kit and you go, Kelly, I just don't think I can afford that right now, no worries. Enjoy your kit, find out what your favorite oils are, your favorite products are, and then when it is in your budget to join Essential Rewards, you can join then. And if it is in your budget to maybe go to the 100 PV level each month, you will get a free product every single month that Young Living will just send you. So it's a great way to not only save money and obviously get the most value, but you will get so many free products if you stay in the program that I've tried so many different things just from being in Essential Rewards. Anyway, so I just want to share that with you because I think people sometimes miss out on the benefits. And one thing I will tell you is if you're like, I don't want to commit to a monthly requirement, what I'll tell you is go back and see how much you've spent over the past, say, year. Add that up. You may be surprised that, say you placed an order 1 month, you wait 3 or 4 months, place another order, you wait another 3 or 4 months and place another order. honestly, oftentimes when you add that up, you will see you probably spent as much or nearly as much as if you just would have been consistent and spent, maybe 50 PV every single month or 100 PV every single month, but you missed out on all the rewards and all the, the rewards you could have earned and the loyalty gifts. And plus your shipping charges were a little bit higher because you weren't in the program. So that's the thing, is look back and see what you typically spend and see if it's close to what it would be if you joined Essential Rewards, or maybe you just want to try new products, and joining Essential Rewards is a great way to do that too, because like I said, they will send you free products each month if you are at that minimum 100 PV level, and if not, you'll at least earn your rewards and you can use those to redeem all kinds of products. So if you have any questions about Essential Rewards, by all means, let me know. You can either leave a comment down below, send me a direct message, or you can always send me an email. If you want to sign up for Essential Rewards, if you're already on my Oily Friends team, you can sign up via the link that's in this post here. If you still need to get your kit, as before I mentioned, you can get your kit, which basically all the items in the kit retail for about $400, and with my $25 back, the kit actually is only about $140 plus shipping and tax, because it wholesale is $165, and then when I give you $25 back, it brings it down to just $140, and that's an incredible value because you're going to get your 12 oils, you're going to get your diffuser. I was going to point to my diffuser in the background, but I forgot I have it upstairs. My one that I usually set here, I have upstairs. Instead, I have a sword bubble blower thing right here, so not quite the same. But anyway, so if you want to go ahead and join Essential Rewards or pick up your premium starter kit, both those links are here in the post. As always, contact me with any questions, and I mean that. I am here to help. I am more than willing to, I've done this many times, jump on a phone call and kind of walk you through how to order your kit, or if you're confused about Essential Rewards and how to get started, you can either enroll via the link that's in this post, or you can enroll by just calling Young Living's customer service line. So as always, if you have any questions, let me know, and thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Bye-bye.